lakas mo yapon. Dito ko.
Traffic na naman. But hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? It's me again, James Tan, and first and foremost, I would like to thank everyone who supported my first vlog about the rebearing replacement of the Nissan Almera 2017. And in today's vlog, as you can see, I'm bringing a different car. I brought my other car, which is a Kia Picanto 2017, and yung concern naman natin today is papalitan ko yung brake pads ng sasakyan. So babalik tayo sa shop, document the whole process, and nga pala, if you have complete tools dyan sa bahay nyo, you can do it on your own. Follow nyo lang yung steps na ipapakita natin. So tara, huwag na natin patagalin. Brand pala na nabili ko is Bendix. Isa ito sa pinaka-reliable na brake pad brands sa market. So ito na lang yung pinaka-brand. So yun, tapos na yung process. Tingnan natin kung ano, okay na ba yung brakes. Init. Oh, tingnan niyo guys, pag step ko dun sa brake, medyo malambot. So kailangan pa natin i-pump kasi hindi pa yan kakapit directly. So mag-a-adjust pa siya dun sa bagong brake. So yun, pinump natin hanggang sa naging normal na yung stiffness nung pedal. Kasi pag di mo inapakan, papatakbuhin mo na lang ng bigla, mabibigla ka kasi hindi kakapit yung brakes. So tingnan natin kung kapit na ba siya. Try natin mag-reverse. Reverse. So yun, kumakapit na naman, kumakapit na siya. So yun yung dapat nyo tandaan guys pag magpapalit tayo ng ng brake pad. So ayun guys, na install na yung bagong brake pads ng ating Kia Picanto. Yung brand pala, again recap, yung brand na binili ko is Bendix. Hindi ito sponsored pero Bendix baka naman. Nabili ko siya at around 1,300 pesos. Natawaran ko ng 1,100. And yung labor dito sa Caltex is 350. Then yung yung nag-assist sa atin, si Kuya Romel, binigyan natin ng konting tip. So yun guys, if you are here around CDO area or Bukidnon or somewhere here nearby, you can just stop by here at Caltex, tapat ng Centrio Ayala Mall, katabi ng Gaisano City and Gaisano Mall. Very affordable yung service nila dito and okay naman so far so good. Medyo matagal na din akong client dito, kaya lang nahihirapan ako magpunta dito kasi medyo traffic yung area niya. Pero yun, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you learned something and hanggang sa susunod na naman natin na vlog, and I hope na supportahan niyo pa rin yung next vlog natin. So thank you so much, and please hit like, subscribe, and click the notification button below for updates sa mga upcoming vlogs natin. So thank you. Bye bye.